Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to trade within this descending channel, where you can see that we have more than 3 touch points, meaning that it has been well obeyed, and there are chances that in case we continue holding above the 20-day MA, we are going to possibly see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side, maybe see a retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up, where my first target areas once you see the breakout will be at around the $0.3931 mark. I also focused in my previous video on a chart pattern that we had over here, which was a double bottom, and I said to you that in case we continue seeing further breakdown and maybe possibly get to the key area of support at around the $0.3585 mark, which is the area down here, we could possibly find support and then expect another bounce back to the upper side. And in case such a move plays out, then on the charts we will be able to print a triple bottom, and you can see that is the move that we have now here on the charts. And in case we continue seeing higher prices, see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side and continue seeing higher prices, then there are high chances that we are possibly going to see the breakout out of these triple bottom to the upper side, where I have minimum target areas at around the $0.4324 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do on the short-term scenarios, basing it on those chart patterns. And to give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, I can zoom out on the charts, where you can see that we have been obeying this Elliot structure right here in blue, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we saw that massive pump in a wave 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5332 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that is what gave me the minimum retrace for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, an area that lies between the $0.4201 mark and the $0.3546 mark, which is an area that we have fully maximized, and that means that Fantom is now ready for a pump in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3 that we expect after seeing the formation of that wave 2. We have also seen an ABC corrective structure also play out in the formation of this wave 2, where I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we saw the formation of that wave B. Then we saw one more leg down in the formation of that wave C in a move that has now fully maximized our red target area. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, whether we are going to see the breakout out of the channel to the upper side and also out of our triple bottom to the upper side. And in case further breakdown continues, then continue watching our significant area of support at around the $0.355 mark, and if by any chance we lose that support area, then that would be suggesting a more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.